Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, it started.
Alright, so this gas tank is completely empty. As you can see, there's no gas in it whatsoever. It's completely bone dry. Nothing. Okay, and I'll start it up just to prove that point. Not gonna start. Mel, will you hold this for me, please?
Yes.
It's running fine. Now pull that away. Nothing. It shuts right off. Alright, now we'll turn it back on. Put it back in there. Ready? Alright, you pull the trigger. Pull the trigger.
Hold that in.
Alright. Alright, get the video over here. I want you guys to see this. As soon as you disconnect this, all this is gasoline down here. This is gasoline down here. This right here is the inlet, so that lets it bubble without air getting in, so it doesn't get too much oxygen. And then it lets the oxygen flow in between the tube and this pipe right here, and you're running off vapor, and that vapor will last forever because all it's doing is sucking up the vapor from the gas. It's not actually sucking up gas. So as long as you don't spill it, you should be fine. So let's do it again.
May I do it?
We'll let it run. Let it run. And then all I'll do, pull that away, boom, shuts right off.
Josh, can I do this?
No, it's too hard.
May I do it?
You can hold that. And if you look at the bubble, or in the bottle itself, you see that. Put your hand over the top of that valve. See, that kills it out too.
Oh, that's so cool.
All right, now.